Wow! My crop looks perfect today. So many bananas. Delicious. I'll sell them in the market tomorrow. Cut them all! This machine will make it faster.
Amazing! Today, I'm going to be rich!
Wow! What? Where is my crop? Hello, police! Someone stole my crops! Don't worry, we will find the thief. This machine will make it faster. Market, here I come. Today, I'm gonna be rich.
How much for all these bananas?
You can take them all.
Time to rest.
I'm a businessman now.
Oh no! I'm caught!
Stealing is wrong.
I'm sorry, farmer. I won't do it again.
I forgive you. Just don't steal again.
Thank you. Here's your money back.